Welcome to qnawire.
We want to find the equation for the line L, which is, it looks blue on mine. I think the colors get switched around, but this is L, and the x-coordinate of point Q is 3, and the y-coordinate of point P is 22. And the parabola, which I see it as red, but that's the U-shaped one, that is y equals x squared plus 3. We want to find the equation for line L. Well, a couple things we can do here. If the x-coordinate is 3, then it's the same as on the parabola, so we can find the y-coordinate by plugging 3 in for x. 3 squared is 9 plus 3 is 12. That's the point 3, 12. And we know this is output is 22, so that's the y. We can figure out what is the x that goes along with it, because 22 would be equal to x squared plus 3. Subtract 3 to both sides. And then square root both sides. X would be equal to the positive and negative square root of 19, and that would be then the square root of the negative square root of 19. So now we want to find the equation of the straight line that's linear. So if we think y equals ax plus b or mx plus b, where m is the slope, let's find the slope. y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. That'd be negative 10 over 3 plus the square root of 19. It does not say to round to anything, so I will leave it exact. But that would be the slope. I will give to you what it would be. Negative 10 over 3 plus the square root of 19 would be about negative 1.36 for the slope. And the y-intercept, if we take the point, I'll use the nicer point 312, substitute 12 for y. Negative 10 over 3 plus square root 19 for m. X is 3. We can solve for b, which would be 12 equals negative 30 over 3 plus square root 19 plus b. And so we would have to add that term to both sides. So it'd be 12 plus 30 over 3 plus square root 19 equals b. Not pretty. So y equals the slope, negative 10 over 3 plus square root 19 x plus b, which would be 12 plus 30 over 3 plus square root 19. Or y equals negative 1.36x. We use that instead, then 12 would be equal to negative 1.36 times 3 plus b. Negative 1.36 times 3 is negative 4.08. And so add that to both sides and we'd have 16.08 is the y-intercept. One of these two versions, an exact and an approximate to the nearest hundredth.